Have you ever felt like your words were in one ear and out the other with someone? It's a frustrating experience, isn't it? As English learners, understanding common idioms like this one can really improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story about a mix-up with this idiom. One of my students, Maria, thought it meant that information literally went in one ear and out the other. She told me, "I tried to remember what you said, but it just went in one ear and out the other." Poor Maria was so confused when I started laughing. In one ear and out the other actually means that someone doesn't pay attention or remember what you've told them. It's a figurative way of saying the information didn't stick. Let's look at some examples of how to use this idiom in different contexts. Casual, I told him the deadline 3 times, but it went in one ear and out the other. Formal, the manager's instructions seemed to go in one ear and out the other with the new employee. Negative, she just nods and smiles, but I know my advice is going in one ear and out the other. To help you remember the meaning, think of it like water flowing through your head, it just doesn't stay there. This idiom actually originated in the 14th century, reflecting the belief that information entered one ear and exited the other without being retained. It's a common expression in many cultures, reflecting the universal human experience of not listening or forgetting important information. A similar idiom is fall on deaf ears. On the other hand, to pay attention or to listen carefully would be the opposite of in one ear and out the other. For example, I could say, "Your advice went in one ear and out the other." But I could also rephrase it as, "I didn't really listen to your advice." I once had a student who used this idiom perfectly in a conversation. She said, "I know you told me the deadline, but it went in one ear and out the other. Can you remind me again?" It was a great example of using the idiom to acknowledge her mistake and ask for clarification. One common mistake is using in one ear and out the other incorrectly. Like saying it went in one ear and out the other ear. The idiom implies the information didn't stay in your head at all. Another mistake is thinking the idiom means you literally didn't hear the information, when it really means you heard it but didn't retain it. Alright, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. 1. What does the idiom in one ear and out the other mean? A. You didn't hear the information at all. B. The information went in one ear and out the other. C. You heard the information but didn't remember it. In summary, in one ear and out the other is a common English idiom that describes when information doesn't stick with someone, even though they heard it. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can really improve your communication skills in English. So, what's your experience with this idiom? Share in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.